In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harvest tax losses using Robinhood on your computer. Whether you're looking to offset some of your gains or simply be more tax savvy with your investments, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in detail. First, open up the Robinhood app on your PC and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, navigate to the Tax Center. This section is extremely useful because it lets you check your realized gains and losses. Take a moment to review this information. Knowing exactly what your realized gains and losses are is essential. By doing this, you'll have a clear picture of which losses you can potentially use to offset gains and lower your tax burden for the year. Next, you'll want to identify a stock in your portfolio that you're currently losing money on and might want to sell to harvest that loss. You can do this easily using the search function. Click on the search bar, type in the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in, and then click on that particular stock. Once you're on the stocks page, look for your total return. This will show you exactly how much you've gained or lost since you bought it. If the total return is negative and you feel comfortable letting go of those shares, this could be a good candidate for harvesting a loss. If you've decided to go ahead, the next step is to sell the stock. Click the trade button, then select Sell. Enter the number of shares you're looking to sell. Review the order to double check all the details and then confirm by clicking Sell. Your sale will process and you'll realize that loss, which can then be used to offset gains from other investments when you file your taxes. There's a very important rule you need to be aware of at this stage, the wash sale rule. This rule prevents you from claiming a tax loss if you repurchase the same stock or even a very similar exchange-traded fund, known as an ETF, within 30 days before or after the sale. To make sure your loss deduction is valid, simply avoid buying back the same stock or a comparable security for at least 30 days. And that's it. You've just completed the process of harvesting a tax loss in Robinhood. Remember, this can be a powerful strategy for managing your investment taxes, but it's always wise to double check with a tax professional if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and good luck on your investing journey.